Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Bollywood's one of the favorite actress Kriti Sanon's skincare brand called Let's Hyphen, and it's a skincare brand by a Bollywood actress. It's something that hasn't been done before by any actress, if I'm not wrong, at least in Bollywood. So if you guys want to know how I feel about Kriti Sanon's skincare brand, then please continue watching. So the brand is all about affordable skincare, which is nicely curated by results-driven skincare products, and it is 100% vegan, PETA certified, and has achieved zero plastic footprint because they tend to recycle the plastic. One thing that really intrigued me about this brand is the price factor. A lot of times when actresses or any kind of celeb launch any kind of brand for that matter, be it skincare or makeup, they always tend to be a bit more on the expensive side. Like take K Beauty for example. Her prices are not that expensive, but it's not that affordable as well. So when I saw the pricing of the products, I was like really happy and impressed about the price point, because literally everyone can afford buying one or two products from her brand. The brand initially launched 4 different products, out of which I have 3, as you guys can see here. All of the products except the sunscreen is made of glass bottles, which is very rare considering the price point. And also I love the color of the product itself. It's so eye-grabbing, and I just love it. It does have a little bit of a weight to it, which feels sort of luxe but not too much, and considering the price point, I feel like they've really killed the packaging. It's great. So the very first product I have from them is their Golden Hour Glow Serum. Now this is your typical vitamin C kind of a serum, which will give you an overall glow and that flawless even out skin tone. But this one is packed with cacao plum, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Now these are the key ingredients in it. Cacao plum is a great antioxidant. It's packed with vitamin C, and it's one of the main ingredients used in this glow serum. And the other ingredients that will also help you to get that even glowy skin is niacinamide and alpha-arbutin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B5, it helps with giving your face that overall clean complexion, and at the same time also helps with sebum production. The other main ingredient in it is alpha-arbutin, which also helps to give you that overall glowy complexion and overall even complexion. So this product in general is power packed with a lot of antioxidants in it, which will give you results as you continue using it. I'm going to be completely honest, I've been using it for only 10 days and the difference that I saw is not too much, but it did give somewhat of a glow to my face and somewhat of that even tone to my face. But I feel like it's one of those vitamin C and that glowy serum kind of a product that will be very gentle on all skin types. I know for a lot of people they do not like any kind of vitamin C serum and they tend to react really badly, but I feel like this is one of those serums that will work on all skin types. Even if you're someone who's not had that great of an experience with just like plain vitamin C serum, you can definitely give this a try. The results will definitely be more on the slower side, because I feel like although it's power packed with a lot of antioxidant, the concentration I think that they've used is not that much, because these ingredients like cacao plum and alpha-arbutin and niacinamide, it's not on the top of the list, and usually in serum products I prefer when they say that these are the key ingredients in a certain product, I expect them to be at least in the first 2 rows of the ingredients list, but in this case that isn't. So that's the reason why it will definitely give you results, but it will give you slow results, you know what I mean. This one has a very nice texture. It feels more of like a gel. It's translucent in color. It is fragrance free as well, which I really appreciate, and it just sinks into your skin really nicely. However, it feels a little bit tacky on your skin, and that tackiness stays on your skin for a while. So just be warned that in case if you are planning to use this right before your makeup, you might have to wait for a minute or two for the tackiness to completely go away and then probably do other skincare steps. When it comes to moisturizer, they had 2 different options, one for normal to dry skin and one for oily skin. So I decided to go ahead with this one, which is their barrier care cream, and this one is packed by ceramides, peptides, tamanu oil and cica extracts. Now, ceramides are moisture locking agents which will make sure that your skin is moisturized and doesn't lose any moisture. It's one of those ingredients which I prefer using when it comes to my moisturizer, because I feel like it not only moisturizes my face but also makes sure that my skin still feels moisturized even after several hours when I'm done applying it. The other main ingredient in it is peptides. Peptides are meant to strengthen your skin's barrier, making your skin feel plump and hydrated. The other ingredient in it, which I have spoken about multiple times, is cica extract. Now, cica extract is one of my favorite ingredients whenever I have very irritated skin. Cica is very calming and it's great for any kind of inflammation and irritation. I absolutely love cica, and anything that has cica in it, I'm like sold. This one on the other hand is not fragrance free, which I do not really like, although the fragrance in it is at the very end in the ingredient list, and also the fragrance is not that strong. It's like very mild, and after you're done with the application, within a few seconds the fragrance absolutely goes away. And I think out of all the skincare products that I own, only the moisturizer has fragrances in it. It has that creamy texture, but as soon as you apply it on your hand, it starts melting and it forms into this runny texture, which I absolutely love. Sinks into your skin beautifully and gives you that, glow. But I feel like, the moisturizing factor in it does not stay for that long, because a couple of hours after applying this, I noticed that my skin does not feel as moisturized. Now, don't get me wrong, this will be great for those who are more on the normal to dry skin. I think if you are more on the dry skin type, this is something that you can use during summers. If you are relying on this moisturizer to use during those winter season, I don't think so it will be that effective. I hope I'm making sense here. Last but not the least, I have one of my favorite product from the brand, and it's this sunscreen. It's their All I Need sunscreen. It's got SPF 50 PA quadruple plus. This sunscreen is a hybrid sunscreen. When it comes to the ingredients that they used in this sunscreen, which makes it effective, is avobenzone, octocreolin, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Now this one has a really nice thick texture to it. One thing that I really like about the sunscreen is how nicely it blends into your skin. If you are someone who's more on the deeper complexion, I think you might have to rub it for a few seconds, but it does not give any white cast, which is great. It does not have any fragrance, again, which is great. And the thing that I really liked about this sunscreen is how glowy and dewy it made my skin look. It's one of those sunscreen that will give you that, glow and that dew. So if you are someone who's on the oily skin type, I would suggest stay away from this. But since I'm loving that glow and the dewiness, so I still continue using it, and I do not mind the glow that it gives to my face. If you are from the dry skin type and you need a sunscreen which will give you that glow and the dew like no other, I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. It's such a great sunscreen, you guys. I absolutely love this sunscreen product, and this was one of the products that really blew me away. I did not expect to like it as much as I do now, but such a great sunscreen. Okay, so the overall experience with this brand has been good, and I would like to commend Kriti on how nicely she formulated, I mean not she and her team has formulated these products, keeping everything in mind. Out of all the 3 products that I've tried, the one that I would highly recommend you guys is obviously the sunscreen. If you wanna try anything from this brand, I would highly suggest you guys blindly buy the sunscreen. You will not be disappointed at all. Having said that, the other products are also really great. Overall, I really like the products. I think I would rate it a solid 3.8 out of 5. I think there is still a little bit of scope of improvement in formulation and everything, but they have still nailed it and killed it with everything. None of the products I'm like, oh, this is a little disappointing. I've liked everything, although I felt like it needed a little bit of tweaking here and there, but that's something that, it's doable. I'm hoping that the more feedback she gets from her customers, the more she'll customize and listen to those reviews and feedbacks and work on the formulations and stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video. Also share this video with your friends and family in case if they are a Kriti Sanon fan and they want to try this brand and they were a little confused as to what to try, then please share my video with your friends and family and let them know my review on it, and let them know an honest unsponsored review on it. If you guys have made it till the end of this video, then thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.